For gaited horses, it's just an extension of the walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I see a lot of young colts like this pacing, and pacing is when the 2 feet on the same side are landing like a choo-choo train, like a track star, and they're waddling down. But usually you'll see that with a horse that his head is tight and it's looking all over the place and it's nervous and it's worried about where it's going. We want to make sure that the horse is nice and relaxed when they're moving. So the fact that he's gone through 3 weeks of obstacles and trails and loping along and letting him go wherever he wants to go and going all over the farm, he's so relaxed with somebody being on his back that it's not hard for him to gait. So much of gait training is have the horse nice and relaxed before you even start. Get the horse nice and broke before you even ask of it.